Macbeth, you win. Oh, wait a minute. I thought we was playing hide and seek.
No, I just found this barrel and went, that's a good shitting barrel. I didn't say that. Anyway.
Uh-oh.
I make
It's okay,
sure
Natalia
to let
won't
your
come
dad
at me.
know.
Don't tell Dad
You're
I
gonna
shit
get
in the
told
barrel.
on.
Pooped in a barrel. Don't go in there for a few though. That was nasty.
Why are we here again?
Why are we here?
I suppose curiosity. And also a bit of
Ow.
an impulse.
Come on, Arya. Go for a walk.
Sorry. I zoned out.
Yeah,
This is
first
a
time.
park. Where are all the swing sets and slides and seesaws and the jungle gym and the other park thing? Like I see that. That's just
Can't you
a
just
sleepy area.
enjoy nature, Macbeth?
No.
I believe there are places that has food.
I want jungle gym. Do we have to go pray to the spirit? Do we have to go give offering to be here?
No.
There's no fish in here.
I don't know, but there's a fountain. Oh, I'm not going in the water. Cock. I found cock.
What?
What?
That's cake.
That's what I'm saying. Cock.
No, that's not the same word.
You're saying the word
Yes, it
for the
is.
male
C-A-K-E,
genitalia.
cock. No, C-A-K-E, cock. Listen, it's probably just my accent. You all just speak wrong.
You speak wrong.
I don't believe he's ever going to learn that.
Sure. I guess.
Because he's
Whatever.
stinky.
I am
you
not
smell.
stinky.
Yeah, you fart when you disappear.
You smell bad.
Arya, you're the one who's always farting on Dad's books, okay?
I don't fart on Dad's books. That's Gwyneth.
I think he's projecting.
I think he is.
Think I'm
But also Gwyneth does do
You
that.
think I'm projecting? How
Yes.
dare you, Salem?
I mean, to be fair, I saw you do it, so.
I would never. Cannot hate life. There we go.
Oh, fountain. Why did you put the cake in the fountain?
Cause there was no trash bins.
You don't
Why
put
didn't
it
you
in the
just eat it?
goddamn fountain. You just eat
Fine,
it.
I'll go get a water. No, never mind.
What a waste of good cake. You really did fucking ruin it.
All I left was the cherry and a cup. Some of the frosting. That shit was disgusting. Poop. That stuff. Ah! I keep sweating. I'm sorry.
As long as lady doesn't tell dad, I think we're okay.
I'm not going to. You're going to eventually learn swearing because
Ah,
everyone
yeah.
does it.
Lady is cool.
What, lady? That's not
Yeah,
lady.
everyone has a bad mouth.
What?
It's Natalia.
Oh, see, I'm bad with names. I think.
I don't know.
What's your name again?
My name is Salem.
Well, if I make Beth, I'm gonna go shit in my own bed.
What? No. I'm the
Sucks to suck.
The day the music died.
Oh, the flux. Oh, the flux is really bad right now. Oh,
Shut
What?
up, Arya.
I think they need a moment.
No, they don't get a moment. We ditch them.
Yep, Flux. Okay, Flux is fixed.
Understood. And even Macbeth has climbed down from the tree.
Wait, how did we get here if this is all fences and we came in there?
Because I put an illusion on the door so you don't escape.
How dare you? I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna look for it. I'm looking for the door now.
That's actually pretty smart. Actually.
That is pretty smart. Because even if he thinks he finds it, he's pretty stupid and he's not gonna find it.
I'm glad you caught on to that. It means you can run around as much as you want, and you're not going to leave the area.
That wasn't very smart. Yeah, I saw.
tried to
I
jump
saw.
It's fine, it's just some water. It is
He
sunny,
fell
so
in the
Yeah,
you,
chicken.
the sun will dry off pretty soon.
No! You just take it off right here! Eh,
Oh,
don't do it. Don't do that. No!
Stinky paw.
It is a stinky paw.
No.
We'll do stinky
Runner,
paw
you're gonna
tag.
catch Macbeth's stink!
You're at Salem. No tag backs.
What? What do you mean I'm it? Come here, Ariel. You're next.
Tagged you with the
You're it.
stinky paw.
What?
You're it. Run! Run!
Oh god.
Oh!
Oh god.
Oh! Keep going!
Okay.
Tag, you're it.
Where'd he go?
Macbeth is it.
That doesn't count.
That's gross.
It doesn't.
Cheater!
Oh.
No! We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh.
Faster.
Keep running. Oh no.
It's working. I've already caught up to you. You can't defeat me. I have the power of dad and anime on my side.
Almost fell.
Tag her at Salem.
No, that is no. Damn it!
It caught your tail.
Damn!
No, Salem,
Come
Salem,
here,
we can talk
Arya.
about this.
You're
we can talk about
next.
this. We can. No.
No, there is no talking. There is all. This has to be done. This has to be done.
This
Come
does
back.
not have to be done. It doesn't have to be
Yeah,
done.
it does.
No.
That's just the rules. It has to be. Come here.
If I walk with my hands behind my back, it's going to start like just doing random things. Oh,
Come here. You're right there. I have a solution.
go on.
Near it.
I do not count because it would be cheating.
Auntie Natalia's it.
I suppose I'm it then.
Natalia's it? Run! Away from Natalia!
Yeah. She could go in water. She could go in water. She can go in water.
She's really doing it. She's really doing it. Go, Rustin! Oh my God!
Run, run, run,
no.
run. Oh no!
Dad?
Oh no! Oh no! No!
We're too cool.
Tag.
I found a hat.
What? I was eating a burger.
They're going. I'm not it. I'm not it. I'm not it. I'm not it.
No,
I'm
but
not
they're
it,
right
I'm not it,
behind
I'm
you.
not it.
Now you are.
Ready? Oh no! 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 They're cheating! They're cheating!
Oh, Arya, you got tagged.
What? Oh, that's not fair. You guys can poof in and out. I can't.
Let's make it equal, no
Hey, Ari, you want to see
abilities.
something funny? I know how to
They're
fix the mood.
cheating.
Watch this. Stop. Oh.
That was I can't swim, Salem.
Sounds like a skill issue. Oh, come on. Oh, God, here we go again.
I went right into you.
What are you doing?
Wait, are you not
How
it?
did you do that? No, I'm not
Who's
it. Why
it?
would I be it?
I
How are
don't
you
know.
still it? You're it.
What? What?
You're it. I tagged you. You're it.
You just said audience.
The art of deception, my friend. Dash, 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 dash. Got him good.
I'm catching up. No, I can't swim.
Uh-oh. Time to go. Time to go. Time to
I thought you were Salem. No. Mm.
Already is it?
Uh-oh.
Mm. Cheating.
Damn it. Dash.
Salem's it.
I'm a god.
I don't think so. I think grandma's a bit better god, I think.
Karma's not a god, they're a spirit.
Oh, close enough, right?
Where'd Arya go? I see them. Tag.
Tag, you're it.
Oh, come on! I just
No abilities.
If only for tonight. Oh. Magic.
That's a bit extra, don't you think?
I've climbed the tree. You have to catch me by climbing.
No, that's cool and all, but how are you gonna get down?
Talia.
You got caught in the tree.
I hear it.
I need someone to catch me.
I suppose.
Thank you.
I
Oh, I
didn't
got
know,
away from Salem.
didn't know you could jump that far.
I don't know where Arya went. Well, it comes from the tree.
Oh, you might have seen me. Okay. Gotta be quiet.
Get out of the poop jar.
Oh, come on!
We're bored.
We're done with tag.
Yeah, me too. It kind of
Mhm.
kind of got boring after about 30 seconds.
5
I
tags.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hide and seek? Actually, there's not a lot of places to
There's
hide.
like nowhere to hide though.
There's
It's all
nowhere,
open.
there's nowhere really to hide.
Unless you want to hide in the poop jar, which is what I did.
Hide and seek.
I can't do that. That's not fair.
You will be able to one day.
I'm hungry.
Sure, go and
I'm
get
also
something to eat.
hungry.
I'm hungry.
I suppose.
Yes.
Yeah.
What would you like to say?
I want a 10-piece McNugget meal with a small fry and a boys kids toy, please, for the Happy Meal.
Understood. Suppose it is the... I've forgotten its name. But I know where there's one nearby.
McDonald or Macca's.
McDonald's.
I believe it's called a Macca's.
Yeah.
Macca's.
You are weird and you sound stupid.
You are weird and you sound stupid. Two Macca's.
He just said what I said back. McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Macca's.
You two fine with this?
Back me up here, Salem.
I'm just here, man. That's all I'm really here for. I'm just here.
Salem, you alright with the same place?
Huh?
McDonald's.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm okay with that. As long as they got the fish fillet there, I think.
We're about to find out.
I know. I kind of gagged a little bit too when I said that, but you know, it's alright.
That was a slip.
Actually found a world. My God.
Here we are at the Poconos.
Mackie Danny's.
Last time I was here, I nearly lost my one and only character I had in the fucking metaverse.
Killed in a fucking
What?
Is this the Misty Shores incident of McDonald's?
Jackal. The first time I met Jackal, and he tried to fix the McFlurry, the police came, and then shit happens, and my character nearly got fucking shot. That fucking bullet whizzed through him, past his head.
There is a Kmart down the way.
Those
I
cars
wanna
will
go get my
also hit you, so please don't. They have actual colliders.
Okay. Oh no.
Let's try this out. Hey yo! Oh! It actually has a wasted death hit toggle. That's
I'm
awesome.
ready to take
What
your
the
order.
fuck?
Oh my God.
What the fuck, Shadow?
Who ordered the chicken McNugget? I've been here before. You could find this avatar with RNG.
I hate his running animation.
Just gonna wait for Swimmer to come back, because he's invisible currently.
Yeah, to fucking respawn. If you blink, it should fix it. Oh,
Oh, there we go.
there he goes.
I didn't fucking
Well, I
actually...
fixed the culling issue, by the way. That's why I started fluxing, is because I was re-uploading it. Because I
I thought you were.
like halfway through with it.
Oh boy.
Alright. Ready?
That's gonna be,
Oh, I've been-
spicy. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go.
3,
Yeah,
Kill it.
well,
2,
I'm ready.
1, cards up.
They made it. They hold on. Do you want to order from Pikachu, Shadow, Ronald McDonald as an Among Us, or the Friday Night
Ronald
Funkin'
McDonald
Kid?
as an Among Us. No, the Friday Night Funkin' Kid. But
even
you
know
can
how he
only
talks.
just go beep boop bubble
No,
beep boop.
I just realized this is Vizeems. You're ordering from Shadow. I'll be inside. I'll be
Okay.
cards up in there.
What is cards up? What does that mean?
I don't know.
I think he has a bit of a brain damage.
Anybody who works fast food. Oh God.
You say that, but
That's
they're
too
the
real,
ones
Salem.
who are going to feed you this day.
Yeah,
That's
but
true.
we're like $8
Can
an
we
hour?
steal this
No,
car?
No stealing cars.
I like that car.
Okay. It's a nice car. I want that car.
Hello.
Oh, ma-
Welcome to
Meow.
McDonald's. How can I help you today? You think he's goth? He has black
Okay,
hair.
hello there. Hi.
You also have
Ooh,
black on your head.
money card.
Oh no.
Sale money
What you got
card.
there? Oh, where'd you get that?
I found it on the counter here. Here, take it.
Oh, where'd it go?
It's gone.
It's gone. It vanished.
Money card, take it. Okay, there we go.
What can
Okay,
I get you,
so-
fine folks,
hi.
today?
So I don't know where my brother is, but so my brother wants a chicken nugget Happy Meal with the boy toy, and he was very adamant about the boy toy. And then he wanted a small fry with it. And then I want also a chicken nugget Happy Meal, but with the girl toy. And then what do you want?
I want the Big Mac. Would you like to supersize it? No, but I do want a Diet Coke. I gotta watch my weight. And for you, ma'am.
Nothing.
All right.
Oh, can I have a large Sprite too? That
All
shit
right. I
hit
hear their
different.
Sprite set. Yeah, I thought it said. I hear it sends you to a different plane of existence.
That's pretty cheap. That's not bad. Use the money card we found.
Sure, we're going to scan and it's going to be money transfer over.
Magic. All right, please have a seat. I'll take your meal out to you momentarily.
Understood.
Feel free to fill
Thank
your
you.
drinks. Here's your
Yeah.
drink cups to fill up over at the beverage counter.
Damn it!
See, the funny part is I told him I was gonna put Diet Coke in there, but I'm gonna put something else in there.
Sprite.
I forgot to ask, would you like sauce with your McNuggets?
Yes, please, honey mustard.
Oh, chicken nuggies with honey mustard.
Mr. Pibb Extra.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
Okay, I got my
that
Sprite.
looks like it's good. I could actually give you these.
I am
Here, you can take
God.
them. How
I
did
can't do that.
There. Magic. Yo, they made an anime of Mackie D's.
Sorry, that shit hit different.
Interesting.
Let me try some of this, see what happens. That tasted like goddamn fucking acid from a car battery. Was this really $29.95? Oh, hi there.
That's mine. That's a Happy Meal. That's mine.
A Happy Meal? It looks like a fucking box.
Yeah, no, it's inside. Look. Give me. Look, sorry. Open it. And there's my nuggies.
Nice. Sauce. Big Mac.
That's pretty saucy.
More sauce. Excuse me, sir. Do you have Coca-Cola?
You got the pib.
Good point. Yep. I have a controversial idea.
You're supposed to chew between bites.
Ketchup.
No,
There you go.
ketchup. I want a t-shirt that says I ate the Big Mac in one bite.
Interesting.
Ketchup pack.
What the fuck? What? Okay, I got a toy. Look, I got a toy.
What is that,
It's
pancake
fucking
man?
ugly. I don't know, it's fucking ugly. Look at this. Tell me that's not ugly.
Is he holding a grenade?
Yes.
I think the American youth were brainwashed. I think they wanted to be a fucking pancake warrior with a grenade.
Interesting.
It's a bad toy.
Oh.
Oh, I ate all the chicken nuggets at once. And all the fries. Oh wait, those are Macbeth's fries. I'm not gonna touch those fries.
Speaking of which,
Where is Macbeth?
I saw his ears behind the counter.
The cashier gave him my food.
Hey, wait, no, he brought me your fries first. Here's your fries.
I believe that is
I have
Salem's.
fries. I didn't order a
Oh, they fell.
cheeseburger.
Okay, I'm gonna eat these ones. Thank you. He's stupid.
We got the
I
same
don't want
toy.
him. Hey, you can have him. I don't want him. He's stinky.
Did you just eat the whole can?
Yeah.
He ate the whole
Here's a
can.
trash
He ate the
can.
whole.
Here's a trash can. Okay, trash can. What? Alright, here, wait, Macbeth. I'm gonna put you in there as well.
Oh, trash.
You smell like it. You stinky. You got the money card!
Shh, don't tell Natalia.
It's fake.
You didn't hear
I
that.
have to go to the bathroom. It won't open.
Make kids.
Will this bathroom open? No.
What?
Oh.
What the why?
This one does.
Why is there a McKid sign? It's just there.
It's a staircase.
Oh,
It's for
It's the
us.
money card.
I wish I knew that.
It
I
fell
would've been
down
a lot
the
better to
toilet.
Climb up the side.
Don't worry, it
Money
was
card
fake.
fell down the toilet. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna go steal a car.
No.
No, there was
Forget
a
him,
whole
Maria.
McPlay place out there.
Grabs.
Where? Oh,
Why don't you go to the playground with your siblings?
This is what a playground should have.
Okay.
It looks like it says Big Kmart.
Oh, hello.
Neither.
we. Ah! Oh,
This playground is
Careful.
lame. I'm gonna make my
Careful.
own playground with blackjack and
Careful.
hookers.
No, you're not.
Are ya? What?
Oh, okay. What?
What do you mean by that?
What?
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, I don't have. I need to enable something.
Oh god! Oh
There you
god!
go.
I'm gonna fucking puke. Oh, I can't get off.
Oh, I'm starting
Whoa,
to
what's
get
the
dizzy as well.
Whee!
Oh
What's this
fuck!
one?
I'm gonna fucking fall. We can play the same game. We can play this game. I played once. Both of you get on the swings, and then we have to run. Someone has to run in between and not get hit. And if they get hit, you swap.
do that. I can't do that. I'm gonna puke.
All
by
right,
you
Salem.
doing that.
All right, Salem. You run then. You run.
I'm not doing that. No, I'm not doing that. No, that's.
Then let's go in the bouncy house. We can't get nauseous in a bouncy house. Oh.
Double bounce me. Double bounce me.
You want your knees to bend backwards?
No. Trust me. Double bounce me. Double bounce me.
I realized we came
Okay,
in the wrong
3,
end. There's an
2,
opening.
1.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh my god!
Holy cow! Where'd they go?
They're still in the sky!
Are you kidding?
It's all we double behind it.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Wait, that wasn't you?
Double
You
bounce
didn't
me.
do that?
No.
I want to do it
you
next.
double
Double bounce
bounce,
me.
Okay.
I don't want to get out. I don't want to double bounce again. That was scary.
I don't think you're supposed to jump that high. It's okay.
I don't think so
She
either.
was pretty good at that.
I think I just saw fucking did something.
I don't know. Arya, how'd you do it?
I think you guys bounced me. I don't know.
Like, actually?
No.
Okay.
This is like a safety violation, I think, for a fast food restaurant.
I don't know. I'm going back on the swing. Everything is bad.
How is he not like sick sitting on that?
He gets back on his swing and says everything is paid.
Ah.
I want to go to Walgreens.
Okay, let's go to Walgreens. I'm gonna vomit my McDonald's in a Walgreens parking lot. After this, we should go to that Best Buy.
We have to cross the street with cars.
I suggest not.
They're
We
closed.
become the cars.
Imagine being
My-
closed.
They're
My body's
closed.
weird. Hold on.
That's what happens when you
There
go
we
back
go.
on the swing for a
All
second
of you
time.
is weird, Macbeth.
Alright, let's go to Best Buy.
Okay. We can put our faces on all the phones.
Yes.
I have slight concerns when you go past the road.
It's
I
like,
played
it's
a lot
like
of
that game
Frogger.
with
I
the
know. I
chicken.
think I have
It's
an
fine.
idea.
I've played Crossy Road.
Natalia,
I know
it's
what
either
I'm
that or we
doing.
take this wonderful Chevrolet.
This is a really nice Chevrolet.
Is this an ad placement?
Oh, I'm
My best.
I don't know how I'm
Grabs
doing this.
cat.
Help me. Oh, the car reset. Click the button next to you that says
No.
hurry and the car will move.
Don't.
There it goes.
It's going without me. I put a brick on the
I'm
gas.
gonna
Cinnamon is
I
going
wanna follow
through-
the cards.
Ugh.
What happened? Oh, he's
I'll
talked.
take 40 million chicken nuggets.
Sam has gone past the road to Best Buy.
Say,
Road trip.
road trip.
Woo! Road trip.
Grab both by your neck.
I don't have a money
Trip.
card. Goodbye. Thank
Road
you.
trip.
Road trip. Road trip.
Road trip. Road trip. Road trip. Road trip. Who's driving? You is driving.
I put a brick on the.
No,
I
we
put a
need to
brick
turn
on
that way, car. We need to turn that way.
I think it's an automated one. You alright, Sam?
Car.
The Best Buy is closed.
She's going through a bunch.
Oh.
What are you
She's doing-
robbing the car?
Okay, quick, get away.
I
Welcome to
think-
that car, and you'll hear what I hear.
You're robbing it. I hear it.
I think it's time for us to leave. The police are on the way.
I'm gonna.
Are you look out? Oh, it's
Yeah,
closed
okay,
too.
okay.
What about the GameStop over there?
Oh, okay. Didn't they go out of business?
No, there's still some around.
Really? I didn't know that.
Oh my god, they're all closed.
It's late here.
They're all closed.
No, make my head no. It's not worth it. Stop it.
Grabs.
Macbeth, no.
How did the
Don't-
car not
Don't jump into oncoming traffic.
Take me, sweet release. of
Okay,
death.
I'm bored. I want to go
Calm
back
down.
to sleep.
I'd say we're caused down by the fact that he's fucking being suicidal at this fucking point.
Yeah, yeah, we're cards down. Jesus.
So I scream. I was about to hit me. I went cards down because then it wouldn't have been real.